World Wide Web. The World Wide Web (WWW) has been central to the development of the information age and is the primary tool billions of people use to interact on the internet and also share files, entertain themselves, watch news, share resources, and stay in touch through mails, messaging, and videos. One man's vision made it possible, whose manager had reluctantly agreed to his proposal for sharing files this way, labeling it vague at best. Timothy Berners-Lee believed in himself and the rest, as they say, is history. Sir Tim is the Martin Luther King Jr. of our new digital world, says Darren Walker, president of the Ford Foundation. Sir Timothy Berners-Lee was born on 8th June 1955 in London. He was the eldest of the four children of Mary Lee Woods and Conway Berners-Lee. His parents were computer scientists who worked on the first commercially built computer, the Ferranti Mark I. A keen train spotter as a child, Tim learned about electronics from tinkering with a model railway. He studied at Oxford, where he received a degree in physics. Since both his parents worked on the first commercial computer, so this probably explains why Tim chose to become a software engineer and computer scientist. Tim's childhood hobby was electronics. In college, he built a computer out of an old television set that he bought from a junk dealer. In a list of 80 cultural moments that shaped the world, chosen by a panel of 25 eminent scientists, academics, writers, and world leaders. The invention of World Wide Web (WWW) was ranked number one with the entry stating the fastest growing communications medium of all time. The internet has changed the shape of modern life forever. We can connect with each other immediately all over the world. During the 1980s, thousands of people were working for CERN, the European Council for Nuclear Research, and they needed to share information and data with each other. Much of the work was done by exchanging emails, and the scientists had to keep track of different things simultaneously. Tim Berners-Lee realized that a simpler and more efficient method of data sharing had to be thought of. In 1989, he wrote a proposal for a more effective communication system with CERN, which finally led to the formation of the world's first ever website, info.cern.ch, which went online on 6th August 1991. Team later established the World Wide Web Consortium at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Laboratory for Computer Science in America. The W3C decided that its technology should be free so that anyone could adopt them anywhere in the world. For his huge contributions that changed the world forever, Sir Tim Berners-Lee was knighted in 2004 and awarded the UK's Order of Merit in 2007, a personal gift of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth given to just 24 people till now. Sir Tim, a member of the Internet Hall of Fame, has also received the first Queen Elizabeth Prize for Engineering, the Finland Millennium Prize, and the A.M. Turing Award, often called Computing Nobel Prize. From the beginning, in fact, Berners-Lee understand how the huge power of the web would totally transform governments, businesses, and scientists. He also knew that his invention could become a destroyer of world in the wrong hands. He is deeply disturbed by the ugly side of the internet: hacking, trolling, abuse, violence, leakage of data, cybercrimes, and fraud. I was devastated, Berners-Lee said, at the misuse of the internet. This agony, however, has had a profound effect on him. He is now determined to fight back through both his celebrity status and his skill as a coder. In particular, Berners-Lee has for some time been working on a new platform, Solid, to reclaim the web from business corporations and return it to the common man. He wants to protect the rights of all the digital users in the world, which means no interference from governments in sharing of information among the people. For Berners-Lee, his work is critical because he estimates that half the world's population, close to 4 billion people, will be connected online, sharing a lot. As millions more come online, they will share trillions of additional bits of information on the web. The internet will become more powerful, more valuable, and also more dangerous than ever. Glossary: tinkering, working in unskillful manner, eminent, famous, and respectable, simultaneously at the same time, agony, pain, knighted, honored with knighthood, transform, change, profound, deep, great, reclaim, recover.